My model sa Kalapukan. Here we go! Our market to farm. Road. Baliktara na. Okay. We gonna make lubong-lubong na here. And look at that. That is for kalabaw, but they use this way. It must be easy for them. Look at the footstep of the carabao, guys. See, can you imagine that? Oh? If you gonna ride them motor here, and then you will flock that over there. Ito na yun, oh. Ay, nagumilid na siya. And this area, look at that. If you're not going to make lubong-lubong, guys, you're gonna go this side. So you must walk on the grass, the carabao grass. Aha. There's the other way, guys, but we use this way because it's very close. Unlike the other way, we need to go around. Oh, ha? See? Ang kulang nito, guys, ano, humay. Humay, itanumay. So, ganito kahirap yung sitwasyon ng magbubukid. Yung sabi nila, pinanganak ka sa pobreng tan. Tan. Another lunang lubong. Another lunangan, guys. Kapitnok. Baka ikaw ay lumupad. Huwag kang lumupad, malayo pa tayo. Dere siya, dere, basig, ano na, dala, malalim. Yan, dito hindi malalim. See? The water is not running because there's no canal. Ikaw naglampasan ba? Mao. Naghanap sila ng ibang daan. So they clean up here because this is not possible for the human, only the carabao. Hala! Look at this, guys. That's not only tuhod. It's over tuhod, guys. Promise. So we gonna swim. I will see how deep is it. So you go first, sir. We'll just look at you and then you come back. You bring us to the tawid. So Mr. Duterte, guys, is already swimming. Na next is. See? Over na nga siya sa kanina, diba? So kanina, guys, nung nag-ano kami dito, dumaan kami dito. Aray ko tabang mga langit. See? See that? Agoy. So ano siya, lampas na siya sa tuhod. Is that our doggy? Lampas na siya sa tuhod, guys, oh. So, where are you going here? Kaya mo? Hanapin mo yung ano, yung... Ay! Matuslok, mapod ng atong... Kuy. Oh. Aray, aray ko. Aray.
Sabit na.
Sus, moryones. Ika lang, may naano ako na... Kuan. May natapakan akong kahoy.
Kailangan pa rin mo.
Yeah, agay. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. O, ikaw, Dugi, asa ka paingon? Uli na. Huwag ka nang mangahas tumawid. You cannot, tawid-tawid there. You cannot across the sapa because it's floody. Okay? Bye-bye.